This is Gem. She is a very friendly female kitty. She is one of our mature kitties, but she's still got a lot of life and love into her. She's about 7 years old. She has lived with other cats before, but here at the shelter she prefers to be in her own housing situation, which is pretty common for cats that come here. It's a lot of smells and a lot of things to get adjusted to. She could probably live with other cats again, but it would have to be a slow introduction and on her terms. She's very friendly, keeps a wonderfully clean coat, and she loves to hug. Let me see. Will you hug me? Yes, you will. Okay. So she loves to hug. This is one of the things she does. She loves to hug her people. And she's perfectly happy to be carried around. Aren't you? Yes, I know. This is pretty standard for the kind of love that she gives. Very sweet kitty, will keep you company and make sure that you know you're loved. Come on in and adopt her today.
She's a sweetie.